Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
An object constructor is a function used to create many instances of an object type without having to recode each and every one. When using an object constructor function, you use the this keyword to easily attribute properties to the new object being created. For example, function person, parenthesis first name, comma last name, comma age, comma eye color, close parenthesis, curly bracket, this dot first name equals first name, semicolon, this dot last name equals last name, semicolon, this dot age equals age, semicolon, this dot eye color equals eye color, semicolon, close curly bracket, var my father equals new person, parenthesis, quote Steve, close quote, comma, quote Smith, close quote, comma 49, comma, quote Brown, close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, var my mother equals new person, parenthesis, quote Sarah, close quote, comma, quote Smith, close quote, comma 48, comma, quote green, close quote, close parentheses, semicolon. In the above example, you are creating the person object with the properties first name, last name, age, and eye color. You then have two new variables, my father and my mother, creating new instances of the person object. The values for my father, Steve, Smith, 49, Brown, and the same for my mother, Sarah, Smith, 48, and Green, are assigned to the properties listed with the this keyword. The this keyword is used to refer to the object that is initially created in the function and applies all of the properties to any new instances that are created with that object name, in this example, person. Using this example easily creates two new instances of the person object without having to completely rewrite the function for each new object. Taking the previous example and adding to it some more code gives a section of sample code that will output a specified phrase. We have a body tag, paragraph tag with an ID of test. This will be replaced by the information contained in document.getElementById, close paragraph tag, script tag, and our function creating the person object, and then our two variables, my mother and my father, and then the new code we're adding, document.getElementById, parenthesis, quote test, close parenthesis, dot inner HTML equals, quote my father is space, quote, plus my father dot age plus, quote, space, years old and has, space, close quote, plus my father dot eye color plus, quote, space, eyes, period, close quote, plus, quote, space, my mother is, space, close quote, plus my mother dot age plus, quote, space, years old and has, space, close quote, plus my mother dot eye color plus, quote, space, eyes, period, close quote, semicolon, close script tag, close body tag, and once executed, the previous code will output the phrases, my father is 49 years old and has brown eyes, my mother is 48 years old and has green eyes.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.